The integration of AI through Google's Gemini enhances the device's functionality, offering intelligent features like smart photo recognition, automatic image optimization, and AI-powered content creation. The Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out with its advanced camera system, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel to ultra-wide lens, and 5x optical zoom. This powerful combination, along with 8K video recording, makes it. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also impresses with its ultra-bright display, reaching 2700 nits of brightness, providing sharp and vivid visuals even under. The S24 Ultra is packed with AI-driven photo tools like Magic Editor, Live Call Translation, and Circle to Search. It's backed by 7 years of updates, ensuring long-term performance and security. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is built as the ultimate Android phone, merging top-tier hardware and software. It boasts a 6.8-inch Quad HD AMOLED display, flat and bright at 2600 nits with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid and ideal for all lighting conditions. The S24 Ultra's camera setup includes a 200-megapixel primary lens, ultra-wide lens, and 2 telephoto cameras. The highlight is the new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens, offering sharper images in the 5x to 10x zoom range. This setup is perfect for photography lovers. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL measures 162.8, 76.6, 8.5 millimeters, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly shorter at 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 millimeters. Despite the minute difference, the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the lead in terms of length. The Pixel 9 Pro XL weighs 221 grams, making it lighter than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which weighs between 232 grams and 233 grams. If you prefer a lighter device, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might be the one for you. Both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra feature a 6.8-inch display. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a slightly larger screen-to-body ratio at 88.5% compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL's 88.0%. The Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a 50-megapixel wide lens, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes it a step further with a 200-megapixel wide lens. In terms of telephoto capability, both devices offer a 5x optical zoom, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a higher resolution with its 50-megapixel lens compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL's 48-megapixel lens. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a larger RAM capacity at 16 GB, regardless of whether you choose the 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 or 1 TB variant. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers 12 GB RAM for all its variants. With a resolution of 4x40 by 3120 pixels, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a higher pixel density than the Pixel 9 Pro XL's 144 by 219 pixels. This means the Galaxy S24 Ultra may provide a sharper and clearer display. Both devices are IP68 dust and water resistant. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also features a stylus with Bluetooth integration, accelerometer, and gyro. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 8-core CPU is slightly more powerful than the Pixel 9 Pro XL's octa-core CPU, potentially offering a smoother performance. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a slightly larger battery capacity at 5060 mAh compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5000 mAh. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a superior selfie camera with a 42-megapixel lens, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 12-megapixel lens. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is built with Corning Gorilla Armor and a titanium frame, offering potentially better durability. Both devices offer a plethora of camera features, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with its multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, OIS, super steady video, and optical zoom. While both devices offer auto HDR and panorama, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also offers dual video call and HDR10+. Both devices run on Android 14, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra features Samsung's One UI 6.1. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chipset, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Both devices support Nano SIM and eSIM, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra also supports dual eSIM or dual SIM. Both devices feature an always-on display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL uses the Mali G715 MC7 GPU, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the Adreno 750 GPU. Both devices support 8K video recording, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a wider range of frame rate options and features like HDR10 Plus and stereo sound recording. Both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra are equipped with stereo speakers. Both devices feature an under-display fingerprint sensor and a variety of other sensors. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL also includes a thermometer for skin temperature. Both devices support ultra-wideband UWB. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers features like Satellite OS service and Circle to Search, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra supports Samsung DeX and Samsung Wireless DeX. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is priced at $199, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly cheaper at $999.99. Prices may vary depending on the region and variant.